Life is a journey, full of ups and downs, challenges and opportunities, successes and failures. Along the way, we encounter various obstacles and situations that test our character, resilience, and determination. In times like these, it can be helpful to turn to the wisdom and inspiration of others who have gone before us. In this video, we will explore motivational quotes and the life lessons we can learn from them. 1. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. The first quote comes from the 26th President of the United States, Theodore Roosevelt. This quote reminds us of the power of belief in achieving our goals. No matter what challenges we face, believing in ourselves and our abilities can help us to overcome them. Life lesson. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Have faith in your potential and never give up on your dreams. 2. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Jobs, the founder of Apple and a great visionary, believed that passion was the key to success. This quote reminds us that when we are passionate about what we do, we are more likely to put in the hard work and dedication needed to achieve greatness. Life lesson. Follow your passions and pursue work that you love. When you enjoy what you do, success will follow. 3. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Churchill, the former Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, knew the value of persistence and resilience. This quote reminds us that success and failure are not permanent states, and it is our ability to keep going that truly counts. Life lesson. Keep going, even when things get tough. Persistence and resilience are key to achieving your goals. 4. Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. Another quote from Steve Jobs. This one reminds us of the importance of living our own lives and following our own paths. It can be tempting to conform to societal expectations or the expectations of others, but ultimately, our lives are our own. Life lesson. Live your own life on your own terms. Don't let others dictate your path or your choices. 5. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of Tibet, understood that happiness is not something that can be handed to us on a silver platter. This quote reminds us that happiness comes from within and is a result of our own actions and choices. Life lesson. Take responsibility for your own happiness. Make choices that bring joy and fulfillment into your life. 6. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Mandela, the former president of South Africa, knew the value of perseverance and determination. This quote reminds us that it is not about avoiding failure, but about getting back up every time we fall. Life lesson. Don't be afraid to fail. Use failure as a learning opportunity and a chance to grow. 7. The only way to do good work is to love what you do. Yet another quote from Steve Jobs. This one emphasizes the importance of passion in our work. When we love what we do, we are more likely to put in the effort needed to do it well. Life lesson. Find work that you are passionate about. When you love what you do, work becomes a source of joy and fulfillment. 8. Don't wait for opportunities, create them. Unknown. This quote reminds us that we are not passive bystanders in our lives, but active creators of our own destiny. We can choose to view every event that occurs to us as once that happened for us. We are going through life lessons so we can grow and evolve. You just need to look for the hidden value in everything that happens. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. We'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.